Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles using a toaster. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need your favorite brand of frozen waffles, a reliable toaster, and any delicious toppings you desire, like syrup or fruit. Before you begin, quickly check your toaster to ensure it's clean and ready for use. This simple preparation step ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience, setting the stage for perfectly toasted waffles in just a few minutes. Now, let's get those waffles toasting. Carefully place 1 or 2 frozen waffles into the toaster slots, making sure they fit without forcing them. For optimal results, I recommend starting with a medium-light setting, usually around the 3 or 4 mark on most toasters. This allows for even heating and a delightful crispness. Toast them for about 2 to 3 minutes, keeping an eye on them until they reach a beautiful golden brown color. Once your waffles have completed their initial toasting cycle, it's time for a quick check. Carefully remove one waffle to assess its crispness and ensure it's heated through. If you prefer it a bit warmer or crispier, simply return it to the toaster for an additional 30 to 60 seconds. Remember, the goal is a golden exterior with a warm, fluffy interior, so avoid over-toasting to prevent any burnt edges. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Using tongs, carefully remove the hot, perfectly toasted waffles from the toaster. Arrange them on a plate, and now comes the fun part, adding your favorite toppings. Whether it's a drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream, customize them to your heart's content. Serve and savor your warm, crispy waffles immediately for the ultimate breakfast or snack experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.